Please state your first name.
William.
And what symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I had a very bad hip pain, and there was a pinched nerve in there.
Okay. What was the severity of your symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10?
Oh, it was high. It was 10. I could barely walk on that side.
How was your problem affecting your daily life?
I could not walk around, and I couldn't even get into my vehicle because as I went to lean to get in, I had these electrifying shocks, pains.
Okay. And what services did you receive at Palmetto Physical Medicine?
Well, initially, they had x-rays, they had a diagnosis, saw the pinched nerves, so then I had a combination of treatment, including shots, therapy, and manipulation, and also massage.
Okay. And what has your experience been like at PPM?
Oh, it's been very good.
And how has your life changed?
Oh, I can walk around, which is good. No more pain.
Good. And would you recommend PPM to your friends and family?
Oh yeah, I have already.
Excellent. Thank you.